Hey guys, okay, today we're talking about our third act and how we age. I'm 64 years old, so I'm well into that phase, and the script as it presents itself to me is not very attractive. So the old script, the old consciousness script is this: we live a life, we go through lots of life lessons, we acquire some wisdom, and then in our third act, just when we could give our wisdom and our gifts back to the community to support the evolution of humanity, we start our decline. And that decline looks like a loss of vitality, a loss of beauty and radiance, a loss of sexuality, and then maybe these diseases come in like cancers and heart disease and diabetes and dementia and whatnot. And all of these things take up a lot of our energy and pull us off the track of delivering our purpose and giving our gifts to humanity, to our community. 5D aging, which is the new consciousness way of engaging with our third act, is to hold your vitality, hold your power, because you're not carrying all of the ancestral patterns and the past life programs and the karma and all of this density that ages us. So we retain more vitality and we're able to give our gifts to the community, and that feeds in to really support humanity and feed us with the richness of the elders. So I would like to invite you to join me on the Body Alchemy Workshop on September 13th, because we are going to be recoding the energetic matrix that creates every aspect of your body, and we're going to do this upgrade from 3D to 5D body consciousness so that you can live fully all the way to the end, fulfill your purpose, give your gifts, and make your contribution to humanity. And the truth is that humanity needs your gifts. So join me for a really special adventure in consciousness on September 13th. All right, guys, I'll see you there.